Good morning, boys and girls. Welcome back. It is Thursday and it is day 4 of Internet Searching Day. And today you're going to be using everything you've learned so far this week to actually go on the internet using some kid-friendly search engines and find some answers to some questions that I have for you. So what you're going to do in today's seesaw activity, you're going to start by clicking Add Response. Find your name on the list, and you will see I have 3 questions here for you to answer. There's page 1, page 2, and page 3 over here. It says use a kid-friendly search engine to find the answer. Here's your first question. What was the name of the first roller coaster in America? So what do you think I need to type in when I search? I could type in the whole question, or I could probably just type in first roller coaster in America. Either of those would work. And here are 2 possible answer choices. The name of the first roller coaster in America was either the Switchback Railway or the Big Dipper. You're going to figure out which one is correct. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to go to my website, and I have the link right here in the seesaw activity, or it's on the home page of your iPad also, but I'm going to click on it since it's right there, and I'm going to pick one of these kid-friendly search engines to look for the answer. So I'm going to try, I'll do Kid Search, and I'm going to type first roller coaster in America. And let's see what it finds. All right, now remember when it finds the results, it found about 21 million. Oh my goodness. Remember, the first one that show up most of the time are ads. We are not going to look at the ads. Those websites have paid to show up first, and they probably do not have anything to do with what we're looking for. So we're going to go after the ads. It looks like the first website that shows up says first roller coaster in America opens. That sounds pretty promising. Let's check the website. It says www.history.com. That's probably pretty good. It's not a wiki, so it might be a good place to go to find the answer. Now, one thing I want to remind you, I see boys and girls do this all the time. Sometimes right here in the little description, kids find the answer to the question. You do not want to get your answer from the description because we don't always know who's writing these descriptions, and they may not always be true or correct. So you always need to go to the website to find your answer. Do not try to get it right here from the little description. Okay? So I'm going to go to the website, and it's showing me history. Oh, I see a roller coaster there, so I'm going to scroll down. Now, here's one thing you need to think about. Oh, it's showing some ads and a pop-up. Do you know what we do when we get these pop-ups, boys and girls? Just look for an X and close out of them, or a board that says close. Get rid of those. That one's okay. It's over to the side, so I'll leave that one for now. But I'm not going to click on it, right? So when I'm using a website like this to get information, it gets very tricky because it's not going to tell you the answer. When you get to the website, it's not going to say, oh, Mrs. Pingle, here's the answer to the first roller coaster in America. No, it's not going to do that. You know I'm being silly, but I know that when I get here, it's not going to just pop out at me. What am I going to have to do to get the answer to the question? I'm going to have to read. And sometimes, look at this website, you guys. There's so many words. Oh my goodness. Well, sometimes I might just have to kind of skim or read the beginning, and hopefully it won't be too far down, but let's see. On June 16th, 1884, The first roller coaster in America opens at Coney Island in Brooklyn, New York. Known as a switchback railway, it was the brainchild of Lamarcus Thompson, traveled approximately 6 miles per hour, and cost a nickel to ride. Do I need to read any further? No, I do not, because I think I found my answer. Remember, I gave you two choices. Remember what one of those choices was? One of the choices was switchback railway. So I think I just found my answer. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to Seesaw, click Add Response, and what I'm going to do now is I'm going to circle the correct answer. So maybe I'll pick the pen, and now I heard the answer is switchback railway. And guess what? If you're watching my video, I just gave you the answer to the first one. But still try it out. See how it works for yourself. And then here it says, which search engine did you use? So I'm just going to circle. For mine, I used Kid Search. Okay? Now I'm done with the first one, so I'm going to go look at the second question. This one says, use a different kid-friendly search engine to find the answer. Here's your second question. How many moons does the planet Mars have? How many moons does the planet Mars have? The answer is either 6 or 2. This time I need to use a different search engine. So I already used Kid Search. So when I go to do my search now, I am not going to use Kid Search. I'm going to pick something else. And my third question is, what is the fastest land animal in the world? What is the fastest land animal in the world? It's either an ostrich or a cheetah. This time it says use a third kid-friendly search engine, so you're going to use a different one. I want you trying out 3 different kid-friendly search engines today to see which one you like best. When I find the answer on a website, I'm going to circle ostrich or cheetah, and then I'll click the green check mark to submit it to my teacher. Okay, so to review, you have 3 questions to answer today. What was the name of the first roller coaster in America? And circle your first search engine. How many moons does the planet Mars have? 6 or 2, and make sure you circle your search engine. What is the fastest land animal in the world? An ostrich or a cheetah? And circle your search engine. All right, boys and girls, good luck with searching. If you have any questions, let me know. But I think you will now be experts at using kid-friendly search engines, and I know your teachers will be very happy about that because you will be able to find information on your own. Have a great day.